So, would you like to make money into Telegram? Now, let's say that Telegram isn't just for chatting, because sometimes it's a marketplace where creators are getting paid directly into the crypto and to the cash. Now, to get started, I'm going to show you just a few methods that I know of how people are actually making money into Telegram. Number one is the ad revenue share. First, let's like a passive way. If you have a public channel, for example, directly here into Telegram, what I can do is to, let's say, for example, create, let's say more. I can go and have a new channel. And let's say, let's go for fit tips channel. In the description, this is for fitness only. Something like that. Now, if you have, for example, this channel, which is public, and you have at least 1,000 subscribers, you might be eligible for some ad revenue sharing. Now, Telegram displays your privacy-friendly ads into your channel and pays you in TON tokens, TON tokens. You can withdraw this to your wallet and use them to buy some Telegram stars to promote your own post. You might be saying so. Now, this pure passive income, the more boost your channel gets from the premium users, the higher your revenue share percentage can actually climb. This is something that is, let's say, for example, a little bit more passive, but it actually works. The second method, for example, is selling digital goods, just like I just did here. Now, you can now post paid content directly to your feed, whether it's in an exclusive tutorial, a high resolution wallpaper, or a signal for training. Users can pay with the Telegram stars to unlock the actual messages. You can convert these stars into TON crypto or even traditional currency. It's like think of it as an OnlyFans or a Patreon, but directly into your chat application with no friction. So as we just did here, for example, you can just share photos, documents, the posts, the actual checklist, for example, here, and you can tell a bit more about what you'll actually be focusing on in order to sell, let's say, for example, your actual product. And you can be pasting directly inside here and check out how many people look out for your actual channel. Now, the third method, for example, are some mini applications and mini bots. So Telegram mini apps are the new app store, so you can build a small web application that can run inside Telegram. So people are making thousands by building simple utility bots, PDF converters, AI image generator, or even a tap-to-earn games. So you can charge a monthly bot access fee, and Telegram handles the subscription billing for you, so you don't need to set up an external website or Stripe account. Learn more about those. You can go for Telegram apps, and you can see that we have the Telegram's applications, everything directly from Telegram apps. So you can see that all of them will appear directly inside of them. There's another method, which is the affiliation marketing that might everybody knows nowadays into the social media, which is the affiliation marketing, for example, to creating an actual niche channel. So you can create an alpha group if you're an expert in crypto, sports, better coding. If you're, in my case, for example, I'm good into fitness tips channel, I can focus, for example, for an affiliation of Amazon, for example. I go for Amazon affiliation process centrals. We have an actual full tutorial of how we can convert us into an Amazon affiliation. And once I do have, let's say, for example, now access for affiliation, let's say, for example, let's go for fit products, and I can start recommending this specific fit products. I copy creatine, I copy protein, whatever. I copy those links and I paste them directly into my Telegram. Let's say, for example, purchase now, because it's really cheap and you can enjoy this. So every time somebody purchased this item, I received an actual short revenue. Let's say like a lot of passive income, but actually it truly works. So Telegram now allows you to create links that automatically expire if the user stop paying their monthly fee. There's no manual keying required. There's a lot of elements that we can use directly here into Telegram. If you ask me, I believe that the best solution is to create an actual channel that you can let's say share into Facebook. You can go from Instagram and so much more, and then you have, let's say, for example, at least 1,000 subscribers, and you can start sharing, for example, affiliation central, let's say, like creating an actual community that we can all benefit from it, and you can a little bit passive income from that. So the key is the actual niche, which I told you from the beginning. So don't make a general channel. You want to make a channel for a specific problem that you specifically like, and you specifically wanted to just stick around, not only for the money. If you wanted to see how to set up your first stars pay well, you can let us know into the comments below, so we can check out more tutorials and generate an actual tutorial about that. don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully we can all see you next time.